So one of the biggest mistakes in B2B cold email or even normal email nurture sequences in B2B marketing is that you're asking for too much commitment on the first touch point, the first time you're actually communicating something of value to the prospect. When you ask a CEO or a CTO or a CEO for 15 minutes of their time, you're asking too much. You're asking for the most expensive commodity they own. So you've not earned it yet. That's why they most of the time do not respond. And if they do respond, it's with a very minimal interest in what you're offering. So the goal is to not directly ask them for a call. You need to offer an asset first. So today I'm going to show you some of the value asset emails that you can immediately deploy in your funnel. This actually flips the dynamic from a salesman or a salesy kind of marketing that's like begging for their time, instead of if you're straight up offering free value as a consultant. And when you do this right, prospects won't just reply, they will actually hunt you down to book a demo or book a call with you, because you have actually proven that you can solve their problem. So the concept here is like the Trojan horse strategy. It sounds bad, I know, but it's not actually a bad thing. If you knock on the door and say, I'm a salesman, which is essentially if you're doing, if you're sending like a ask for a call in the first email, you are essentially being a salesman, and they will just ignore you or delete your email or lock the door, essentially. So if you knock and say, I have a gift that solves your problem, I have an offer, I have a small deliverable that actually solves this problem in your funnel or in your business, they will let you in. Value asset is like a free piece of content that actually solves like a micro pain point. In my cold emails to SaaS founders, I was actually offering a complete brand audit. So I built an entire AI workflow. I have actually made a video about this, if you can find on my channel. But I actually built a complete AI workflow that analyzes 3 of their competitors, landing pages, LinkedIn profiles, their reviews on G2 as well, and then forms a complete brand audit using the Gemini Pro API or ChatGPT API or whatever we want. So this is like a very high value asset, because a CEO will actually want to look at that piece of brand audit and see what can be improved on their landing page or in whatever in their offer or in the way they are communicating their value to a cold prospect. So the value asset is a free piece of content. This is directly saves a micro pain point, and it builds authority for you. They realize that you are an expert. They realize that that their current setup is broken, and how you can come into their business and fix that problem. So let's look at the 3 assets for 2026. The first one is Mini Loom. This should be quite it should be very easy to understand, very intuitive, because most people like to watch videos of the software or a demo of the workflow that you're offering as a product instead of reading text. So you can start with you can start your email with I noticed your LinkedIn ads are missing. I noticed that you're not running Google ads. I made this 2-minute video to tell you how you can actually build a complete strategy for your Google ads. You can even send them a ROI calculator. So I built this Google sheet that calculates your exact churn cost and how you can change your ad strategy to actually convert more leads and stop burning so much cash on leads that do not actually convert. So you can offer these things. You can also offer diagrams. So you can use this software Excalibur, like I'm showing you right now, and you can just give them a flowchart, like a complete strategy of how you're gonna scale their business with this AI workflow, this particular unique mechanism that you are offering that's different from what their current setup looks like. So yeah, these are the top 3 assets that I can think of on the top of my head. There can be more in your particular niche, so you can think about it. But these need to be actually highly visual. They need to be able to quickly consume it, fast to consume, and should be immediately useful for their business. It should not take time to deploy. It should be readily deployable. Okay, and the next asset is like the opt-in email script. So the context, you can base it on the assumption that I saw you're hiring for this particular role. You can target. So I made a 3-minute video on how you can automate lead enrichment if you're hiring for SDRs. Suppose if they're hiring for data analysts, then you can give them a video of your SaaS that actually saves them 20 hours a week, automating some like extremely painful point, and like uses less manual labor to do that. So yeah, these are the kinds of offers you can build, and the CTA needs to be like extremely low pressure. It should not be like mind if we jump on a call. It should be like, mind if I send it over. They say yes, you have to ask for permission. They say yes, and then you send it over, and that actually creates like a micro commitment because the prospect has said yes to the offer, and then they will actually consume it, so that you have more chances of actually getting on the call with that prospect. So yeah, and this is like the 3-step process that I wanted to show you, like the strategy, the Trojan horse strategy of reducing the friction by not asking for the time but actually delivering a high value asset. And yeah, the law of reciprocity is like, you give me value, I owe you attention. And attention is like the main thing that you're actually targeting from your prospect. You make content, you make ads, you outreach with DMs and cold email just to get your prospects' attention first. And this is like a very high value asset that you can build, and you can easily use AI to build this. I have like a complete step-by-step breakdown of how to build complete GTM strategy from A to Z, and which AI tools to use for each step of the funnel. You can check it out on my channel. And yeah, I hope this was helpful. And if you want me and my team to come in and build your entire go-to-market strategy or improve your current strategy, just book a call in the first link in the description. We'll go over and have a chat about your business and see what can work. And yeah, hope this was helpful for your business. Try to implement it. Let me know in the comments if you do find it helpful, and see you in the next one. Bye.